Dear participants, we will start the closing ceremony now. We'll wait for another 2 minutes. Okay. We can start.
Adarsh, shall we start?
Yes, madam. You can start.
A very warm good evening to all. I am Akhila Rupesh, Assistant Professor from Aeronautical Engineering Department, MITE. It is my honor to convey sincere thanks to all the fraternity of MITE, invited guests, and all the participants from different prestigious institutions for the smooth conduct of the 5-day faculty development program on electric vehicles and making it a grand success. On this occasion of closing ceremony, we would like to hear feedback from few of our participants. Participants who wish to convey their feedback and experience may kindly unmute yourself and proceed.
Also, they can switch on the video and start. Ashok sir, yeah, please.
Very good afternoon to everyone who is present in this meeting. It was a very great platform indeed. Actually, there were speakers from both industry as well as research background, from academics, from research background. It was very insightful. Though I'm a very new person to this EV domain, I have learned a lot from this FTP. Thank you, MITE, and for the entire team who have organized this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible. Ganesh, sir?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
I am working as a head of the Mechanical Engineering Department at Anantarao Power College of Engineering and Research. Congratulate Mangalore Department of Aeronautical Engineering for successfully conducting this e-faculty development program on electric vehicle. Basically, this is an era where we are going for the electric vehicle, and all students as well as the faculty members requires the knowledge from the electric vehicle. And I think during this FDP program, the department have organized very well. You have conducted the program with all the renowned faculties from the industry as well as from the research area. And from this FDP, the faculty members which have attended may have get some fundamentals about the electric vehicles, some innovative ideas regarding the electric vehicle. Now we all know that in the electric vehicle, the battery is a major part, and the charging stations. About all these things, we got the idea in this particular FDP. And I think it's really wonderful to attend this FDP, to hear all the members in the faculty development program. Again, I congratulate to the department and thank you very much for the all the organizers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Others, you are muted.
So, any other participant would like to share the feedback? We have Jagapati sir with us. Sir, you can unmute and yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jagapati Babu. I'm working as an assistant professor at Jain University, Bangalore. Currently pursuing PhD on digital twin technology. So this FDP, I think, provided a lot of insights on electric vehicle industry. It's a great uh, organized very greatly with people working on such technology around the globe. I can say one of the participants today also spoken related to EV from Germany. So it's a great thing to undergo such a faculty development program. I would like to congratulate the team for all their efforts. It's really been fantastic. And thank you.
Thank you, sir. I think we
Hello, sir.
all are eager. Yes,
I'm Dr. Yogesh Mahdi.
yes, sir.
The FDP is well organized,
Thank you.
and your interaction with all participants, which is also very nice. Your team is very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, hello everyone.
Hello,
Yeah,
madam.
good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon.
afternoon.
Sir. Yeah, actually, I'm Dr. Priya Gajjal. I'm working as an associate professor in Pune. Actually, from last 3 years, I'm working with this electric vehicle. I have conducted 2 FDPs, and next surely is coming soon, shortly. Actually, I'm really thankful and really want to congratulate to coordinators and especially speakers for arranging such a huge knowledge packet of FDP. I learned many things which even I have not thought of it also. For example, just battery management, especially in ANN in electric vehicle. And specifically that new topic is electric propulsion, which is really new to me. And the stress management is a blast. It really relieves us the stress and definitely hoping to see you again. And again, thanks to all coordinators, speakers for arranging such interactive and intelligent based FDP. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, madam. Thanks for your kind words.
Yeah.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Myself, Dr. Anandram, Professor and Head of the Physics Department, JNN College of Engineering, Shivamogga. Currently, I have total 30 years of teaching experience. And my thinking, so to say, will always deals with the 3 E's. One is education, other is environment, other is economics. And to this, I am adding one more E, the name of electric vehicles. The thing is, in fact, why I have come to this particular area is I am using the electric two-wheeler long back, that is about 20 years I am using it. And before using that electric vehicle, I have done many types of thoughts I have put in, many research I have put in, rather. At the same time, I have done many calculations also. And later on, I selected it, and it is providing me a better vehicle in total. So rather than compared that of a conventional vehicle. And at the same time, I have also given many suggestions to our other people, and many of our college colleagues have also implemented it. And I'm very much thankful to you because you have organized a very good workshop, and it has been amazing rather. And all the resource persons are very, very good. At the same time, the thing is, you have given ample of time for us for discussions. In fact, that's a very important factor, and very well organized rather. And time schedule has been very well maintained. And really, I'm thankful to you as well as your team for giving us a wonderful opportunity to come over here. And at the same time, one more suggestions from my side. That is, if we would have some battery management or battery technology rather, so types of batteries, what we can use, at the same time, what is the ampere hour rating required. So some mathematical calculations, some design calculations, it would have been added up to this, it would be still better. And anyway, the particular FDP has fulfilled many of our requirements. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your suggestions and kind words. Definitely, we will work on including battery management and mathematical calculation that is associated with it in our next faculty training program. Thank you, sir. So any other participant would like to share their experience?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, Kishan, sir. Yes.
Sir, good evening, everyone.
Very good evening, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for accepting my request to be a part of the FTP. I'm Kishan Karumbaya. I work as an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Coorg Institute of Technology, Phonompet. We also call it as Scotland of India or Kashmir of South India. Sir, this thing just came down from my head of the department, and he's also a part of this particular program, and by name A.G. Timmaya. So it just came down, and then I just went through the AICT portal, and then I just got to know about it. But what I appreciated that down there, sir, I found around 206 FDPs going on in October. Around 90% of them were not having a proper schedule. Neither the participants were told previously that who will be the resource person, what are they going to talk about. This I really appreciated from your FTP, because I am actually appealing to other people also who are actually going to create an FTP or going to host up FTP in Atal website, to give us a proper clear idea before actually getting ourselves registered up. Because I just saw many colleges here like just putting up a name of the FTP, but not even telling us what are they going to talk or what are they going to deliver in the FTP. So that I really appreciate from you, sir. Actually, as an organizer, I definitely agree to you that it is because of your efforts and because of the institution effort it is there. And still, like I'm having FTPs from 25th, still I don't have a schedule. Still I'm not knowing what are they going to talk about in the FTP. But I appreciate it. I really thank you people, because you people have taken up the same words and you have kept the promises what the FTP was supposed to be delivering, and the same schedule was there. No mismatching of resource persons. The same resource persons were there and they were delivering the same talk. I really appreciate that particular point of thing, sir. The next thing is, which I observed, because from past 2 years, we are actually having lagging of students in the domain of mechanical engineering. They are actually lagging down in civil engineering. They are actually even cutting down in electronics. But this FDP, it just opened up new avenues. Like it is actually talking about mechanical engineering back in the field, because even we have an electrical like a vehicle designed up, but actually we try to touch, because I'm from a machine design background, I try to touch only the structural part of the vehicle. But now, like it is easy for me to talk to the student and then convince them, no, it is not only the structural part you are going to touch up. See, you just check out with the battery technology, and you have the technology working out with thermal energy going on. And you have people like ANSYS who are actually giving you a platform. Even student versions, as the people told us, it is actually open to us. The students can take up a lot of research work. A lot of research work is already going on in that particular field, and we can have a whole new setup actually opened up. So this FTP actually helped me out in telling out to the bigger audience that, see, it is still there. I'm still computational fluid dynamics is working on. You people don't need to shift over to computer science or only to artificial intelligence and set up. See, I'm an engineer. But still, my basic principles of mechanical engineering, basic principles of aerodynamics, basic principles of electrical engineering is working out. And that is where I found this FTP more useful to me, helpful, and as well as I can convey the same thing to my students. And that way, I really congratulate you and thank you for having this FTP properly, I mean, very efficiently delivered up, sir. Thank you for everything, and I thank all the organizers. Thank you.
Thanks, Kishan, sir. It was a very wonderful motivation for us all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir Shankar Murthy, sir, please.
Good afternoon, others.
Good afternoon, sir.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate the whole team of the MITE. We have organized. It's a very good program indeed, because the current people, current society needs this kind of technology, and this is the right decision in organizing this particular theme as one of the topics for the FDP Live. And also, I'd like to thank the experts who have taken up their time and delivered wonderful lectures. Really, it was the need of the day, need of the hour. And as per the curriculum, there should be some kind of scope. Actually, we need to bring to the notice of the BOS, the university. So these kind of the courses should be introduced in the initial phases as a professional elective or the open elective, so that an integrated kind of an approach will come into the picture. Because recently I read similar to IoT, the new concept of IOV is going to be coined. It is like Internet of Things, Internet of Vehicles technology is going to come. So wherein people, experts, definitely they can recommend to the higher ups of the university, and definitely we can do something so that whatever the problems, crisis which we are facing currently with mechanical engineering or automobile engineering or aeronautical engineering, so this definitely solve the greatest extent this kind of problem, and we can motivate our students to these new technologies, and they can also flourish themselves and find new avenues in the future days, coming days. So this is what my response and my feedback. Once again, I'd like to thank the whole team of MITE, especially Adarsh and team and the experts. They've taken up their time, and they've given valuable inputs, and it's a memorable journey in the FD. So thank you for giving me an opportunity. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for being part of it. We really appreciate your words. We'll keep in mind. Yes. Any other participant would like to add their experience? Okay. Akila ma'am, I think we can continue. 1 minute. We have Yuvraj. K. Yuvraj, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, very good evening, sir. Please.
Myself, Yuvraj, Shankara Polytechnic, Coimbatore, sir. I am working as a senior lecturer in automobile department. The FDP is very, very interesting, and all the sessions are very useful to us, sir. All the resource persons taken the session is very interesting and more, very interesting session, sir, and more useful to us. The thought of EV vehicle is so it's visible, sir?
Yes, you are audible and visible, sir. Yes.
And the idea of EV is now widened the thoughts, sir. It is very interesting. As we are in India, there are two type of people we are in situation we are living, sir, in modern cities and rural. This aspect in the electric vehicle, we want to think in a rural area also, for agri purpose also. So as a academician, we want to make not only for EV vehicles for our modern city life also. We want to make electric vehicle for rural areas. This FDP widen up my thoughts for a rural area also, sir. And I thank the organizers for conducting this type of FDP, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I think we had one doctor who designed this electric tractor for agriculture purpose. I am sorry I couldn't recall the name. If he is present, I would like to introduce you to him, sir. So actually, in the initial days, we discussed this every morning, 2-3 minutes, what the time we had. So we used to discuss some innovative things. So in that, one idea was that he designed and developed electric tractor for payload of 300 kg. So I'm really sorry I couldn't recall the name of the participant. Okay. So yeah, Any other participant would like to share, or we will continue with the session? Okay, ma'am, I think you can continue.
Thank you all the participants for your positive feedback. Really, we are overwhelmed with the words. Now I request Dr. G. Purushottam, Head of Aeronautical Department, MIT, to convey his message to the gathering. Sir, please.
Good evening. Good evening to all the speakers, participants, and coordinator other, my colleagues. So just I'm going to brief about our college as well as our department just 1 minute. So MIT, that is established in the year 2007. So presently with an intake of 8 UG program and 3 PG programs we are running. So around 780 UG programs intake and 156 of PG program. So in fact, academic excellence consistently we are doing, because every year consistently from MIT we used to get around 5 to 6 VTU ranks and accredited by NAC and NBA. So with respect to our department, aeronautical engineering, so once again it is accredited by National Board of Accreditation in the year 2019. And recently last year 1920, so we got the fund from AICTE Modrope for 15 lakhs for aircraft structure slab. And for this academic year 1920, that means for 2021, from AICTE Spices, we got for this Aerino Club activity, 1 lakh we have received for the department. So a lot of innovative projects doing our students consistently from KSST. Every year we used to getting KSST funded project for the students. So continuation to that, in 1920, best project of the year we got from KSST for our innovative projects done by our students. So this is a brief introduction about our college and with respect to department. So with respect to FDP, so I thank particularly all the speakers. So very excellent. They delivered like all the sessions very effectively and more informatively for all the participants, particularly in the emerging area of electric vehicles. I thank sincerely all the speakers on this occasion. So also particularly I have to thank all Atal AICTE, because consider this FDP, so sponsored this FDP. I thank AICTE for providing the opportunity to organize this FDP in a more memorable way for this 5 days program, and also this financial support from AICTE. I hope all the participants have gained enough knowledge from each sessions, and I request you to transfer this knowledge to students in your esteemed institutions. So this is the platform for research scholars to collaborate with the speakers, participants, and industry organizations for betterment of society, in particularly EV domain. So I wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Radhesh Krishnamurthy, coordinator of this program, for giving vote of thanks.
Thank you, madam. So first of all, I would like to thank AICTE Atal for sponsoring this event. So it's a long process. I think many of the faculties who are in the participant might know. It took a lot of time and communication with the participants to talk, and so for that I would like to thank AICTE for providing us the opportunity to bring such good speakers on one particular platform where all the faculties from various domains can gain knowledge. Then secondly, I would like to thank MIT for providing the opportunity for conducting this faculty development program. Especially, I would like to thank Mr. Rajesh Chauta for supporting in all these activities, and Dr. GL Ishwar Prasad, Principal, MIT, for his continuous support. And also, I would like to thank, and my heartfelt, I'm very much grateful to Dr. G. Purushottam, who is the HOD of Aeronautical Department, for supporting such activities and pushing all the faculties, to apply for funding and helping with essential support. And also, I would like to thank my entire team who has been part of this event. I would like to thank specifically Mr. Ajit sir, Ajit Kumar, and Mr. Shivaji, Mr. Sujesh sir, Mr. Praneeth, Mr. Vishwareta, and Ms. Akila ma'am, and Dr. Shrikant Patil, and Mr. Abhishek. I'd like to thank each one of them and also the supporting staff for helping us to successfully conduct this 5-day faculty development program. And also, very importantly, speakers, right? Whether it is Manjunath Mysore from Tesla, and also we had few speakers whom we couldn't accommodate, and I promised them that we will be accommodating them in the next session. I thank all the speakers and making time to address all of us to improve our knowledge. I thank the speakers of this FDP. And last but not the least, the most valuable participants. So always I believe that knowledge increases by sharing and not by saving it. So always we should come to a common platform where we can share knowledge with others, with like-minded people, and definitely that will help us in improving in our own professional life as well as in personal life. So I like to thank all the participants for being such a wonderful audience, and they really, I developed some amount of relationship, although we are not in contact directly, but I used to see you every day morning. Some set of people will be waiting for the faculty development session to start, and I was really motivated by that to see such participants. I thank each one of you for your support. Okay, and finally, I would like to end this vote of thanks by telling each one of us are having this capability to organize such programs in your own capacity. I think all of you should try it. Definitely, a lot of fundings are available from the government and from your own institute. Believe me, in the last one academic year, 2020 and 21, we applied for around 10 fundings from ACT, DST, SERB. So it is possible that, okay, out of 10, 3 got approved. So it is possible that the rejection rate may be more, but definitely you will find some success in funding your own research and organizing such events. So I thank each one of you in this journey. It was a wonderful journey for me as well. I get to meet with you, interact with you, especially, right? So thank you very much for this wonderful session. I would like to thank my team as well, again, for their valuable contribution. So I think with this, we will end the session. And all the participants, please, in ACT website, there would be feedback form that you have to fill in order to receive the certificate. So from our side, we will provide the attendance and the test marks. And yeah, one very important thing I wish to mention here, Dr. Vishnu Murthy sir. So he submitted the test answer in 8 minutes. I'm really surprised by his response time. I would like to thank him personally, right? It's incredible, right? Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your response. Sir, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you for your quick response. It's really, I really appreciate it.
Okay,
thank you. Okay, fine participants, speakers, and my dear colleagues and HOD sir. If with your permission, I would like to end the session of this 5-day faculty development program. And before moving on, as per our tradition, please all of you switch on the camera, and we will have one final photo shoot, virtual photo shoot. All of you.
Done ಮಾಡಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಂದಿ ತೆಗೆದು.
Yes. Please bear with me for another 1 minute. Yes, all the participants, please, I request you to switch on the camera. Yes, thank you very much. It was a wonderful session. Yes. Purushottam sir, we will end the session.
Yes, yes, others. Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you all the
others.
participants.
Thank you very
Yes.
much.